Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Pinterest marketing we have reached the conclusion. We have seen various videos on various topics. What are those videos? What are those chapters that we have seen in this tutorial? Let us check them out. We have started with overview, what is Pinterest, how Pinterest works, what are the benefits that Pinterest offers, so on and so forth. We have also seen the introduction to Pinterest. What is Pinterest and what are basically the statistics that are associated with Pinterest and how it helps businesses. We also seen the terminology, the language that is associated with Pinterest. What kind of language is being used and what are the features and the languages of Pinterest. We have seen Pinterest and a comparison chart between Pinterest and other social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. We have seen how they differ with each other. We have seen how a business can leverage the features of Pinterest to brand itself. We have seen how you as an individual or a consultant and a freelancer can take the benefit of Pinterest to brand yourself. We have also seen some of the features of Pinterest. What are the various features that Pinterest offers to the users? Creating a Pinterest account. We have seen a live demo how you can go about creating an account on a business account on Pinterest. Next, we have seen how to convert a personal account into a business account. That is possible in Pinterest. If you have an individual account, you can convert that individual account to a business account. And how you can do about it, we have seen a live demo. Optimize Pinterest business account. How you need to optimize, why you need to optimize your business account on Pinterest is something we have seen in this video. We have also seen how you can go about increasing your followers, grow your followers on Pinterest, why you need to grow your followers and what are the best techniques that you can implement to grow your followers, how to generate leads. Having an account is one side of the coin, optimizing his account is one side of the coin, growing followers and that followers have to click on the links and come to the website. How to generate leads on Pinterest is something we have seen in this video. How to make money from Pinterest. You can make money from Pinterest. That is possible. And what are the various techniques that are associated with making money on Pinterest is something we have seen in this video. We have also seen Pinterest advertising, the paid advertising. Pinterest offers that and we have seen how Pinterest advertising works. Best strategies to implement. What are the best strategies that you can think of implementing as far as growing your business is concerned? Driving traffic, growing followers, leads and the conversions. How you can go about measuring the success of your campaign on Pinterest is something we have seen in this video. And continuing, we have also seen the Pinterest analytics. Analytics is the backbone of every social media campaign, including Pinterest, and what you can do, how you can do is what we have seen in Pinterest analytics, including the various tools that are associated. We have also seen top business case studies. Who are the various enterprise level companies who are doing extremely well, and we'll take an in-depth analysis of what is the best strategy that they are implementing and how they are growing their followers. We have also seen how to become the best Pinterest strategist. If you are a digital marketing strategist, if you are offering social media marketing services, what is that you need, the responsibilities, the skills, the expertise that you may be having, you need to become a very good Pinterest strategist. Then the tools that are associated with Pinterest. What are the various tools in terms of analytics, in terms of images tools, in terms of creating infographics, what are the tools that are associated with Pinterest. So these are basically the various videos where we have covered extensively to bring across the complete picture on what you can do, how you can do on Pinterest as a social media platform to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.